Oh boy, I look rough. Oh my gosh. Hey y'all, what's up? Your girl Sweet, Sweet, Sweet. Just hanging out with my doggies. Yeah.
For some brighter days, 'cause I'm falling in the snow, it's getting knee deep. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin. Make myself feel warmer when you're near. Whenever you're near, come close. 'Cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close. Get under my skin. Give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while. Stay by my side. November gets cold. December gets dark.
Okay, another DIY project, y'all. This table has been around about 25 years. I don't know, a long time. But what we're going to do today, I'm going to spray it a gold color. This is Rust-Oleum Universal Advanced Formula Metallic Paint and Primer all in one. I'm going to spray this, and I'm also going to make a mirrored top to it. So I bought some little mirrored squares, which I'll pop a picture up right here, and I'm going to put that on the top. This is going to go in the living room, just repurposing some of my old items. I'll show it to you once I finish. Just again, spray painting and then sticking on the mirrored top. Okay, these are the little mirrored pieces here. This is the box full of them, and I'm getting ready to stick them on. Let me show you the table over here. This is what she looks like right now, and I'm going to stick these on the top right there. So let's get to it.
Babe, I miss your body. You make some kind of fire within me. It's almost like it's burning through my skin.
And beautiful babes, here is the finished end table with the gold paint and the little glass squares or mirrored squares on the top of it. So I did the best I could. I really messed up on a couple of them, like big time, because I really was so anxious to get it done that I failed to allow all of the paint to dry on every area. So some actually, when I laid the glass squares or mirrored squares on the table, they stuck, and then I had to pull them up and get a little knife and get them up. So I scuffed up some of the paint on there, but overall, you know, it's going to work. Just getting all of the accessories now. I just need to get a table lamp, and I'm going to do away with that lamp right there, and a table lamp is going to go over here. Just trying to figure out what I really want in the area, and then I'm looking for some couple of editors or bookcases to go by the fireplace over here, and kind of get all of the cords and everything out of the way. So that's that, and it actually matches pretty well with this like sofa table that I have already. So I have that over here for now. It's going to move a little bit further down, and some decor is going to go on that wall. So, but that is what it looks like right now, and just stay tuned for the updates on the decor. All right, well, this is it for today's vlog, y'all. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and please keep on sharing me with your world. Bye.
So stay by my side. Come on close, 'cause I wanna be by your side. Wanna be by your side. Come close, get under my skin, give me a piece of your mind. Just for a while, stay by my side. Side, wanna be by your side. Close, just for a while, stay by my side.